donut.
Guys, this is my PS4 party, okay? Thinking, oh, you have a PS4, you're a loser, or oh, you're awesome. No, I don't have a PS4. I just got this for free. And a disc holder without having a disc. Because I never had the disc. Let's drink some Coke. Start getting out of topic. Let's go.
Wait, what? You're not in a party.